Hi, in this video I will be showing how to share the AwwApp, like the whiteboard you have between different users. So first of all, you need to click on invite from here, and then you will see three different options, and each of these three different options will give you different access levels. So if by default it will be selected as allow everyone to edit, and when you select that and share it with the other users, everyone that you share with will be able to edit. And when you click on allow everyone to view, then they will be able to view it, but they can't edit it, like they can't collaborate it in the real time. And if you share a copy for each user, then there will be a main whiteboard, like the whiteboard you write on, and then for each of their own version they will be able to annotate it. So these are the three different options that you have. So if you want everyone to edit, like collaborate in real time, you'll select the first option. If you want everyone to just see it, you select the second option. And if you want everyone to have their own copy but and enable them to edit it for their own purpose, you can select the third option, which is share a copy for each user. And then when it comes to sharing, you have two more options. You can simply copy this link and send it to everyone, or you can give them the QR code by clicking on the QR code button. And another option is you can invite them via email. So if you type here the email address of each recipient and then send invite, it will be sent to each of them. But the easiest option is to copy the link from here. So yeah, that's copied now. So that's how you share the AwwApp between different users. So that's for today's video. See you in our next video. Bye.